A broken seam on a leather car seat may look intimidating. But with a few basic tools and a little patience, you can hand sew it yourself and restore your seat's appearance and durability. Before you begin, make sure you have the right tools. You'll need a curved upholstery needle, heavy-duty upholstery thread, preferably polyester or nylon, a seam ripper, and needle nose pliers. Using a seam ripper, carefully remove any frayed or loose threads from the damaged seam. Be gentle to avoid tearing the leather further. This step ensures a clean working area and allows your new stitches to hold firmly in place. Use a leather-safe cleaner to gently clean the area around the broken seam. Remove any dirt or oils so the thread adheres well and the stitching stays secure. Cut a length of upholstery thread, about 18 to 24 inches, and thread it through the curved needle. Tie a secure knot at the end. Double threading is recommended for added strength. Cut the excess leather from the broken seam of the car seat using seam ripper. Start from the inside of the seam to tie the knot. Wear a thimble to protect your finger and work gently. This process takes time, but patience will ensure a strong, clean first stitch finish. Use a saddle stitch or baseball stitch for strength and flexibility. Insert the needle through both leather edges and pull tight. Repeat this in a uniform pattern, keeping the stitches about 1/8 to 1/4 inch apart. Make sure your stitches are even and consistent to create a neat, professional-looking seam. Use pliers if needed to push the needle through thick leather. Always grip the needle firmly near the base to avoid slipping and ensure precise stitching. This will help you maintain control and prevent the needle from bending or slipping. As you continue stitching, pay close attention to thread tension. Gently tighten each stitch as you go to ensure it holds well. But be sure not pulling too tightly, which can cause puckering or even damage the leather. Maintaining consistent tension helps create a strong, even seam that lasts longer and looks professional. Once you've sewn the entire length of the broken seam, tie a strong double knot on the inside of the seam to secure your thread. After finishing, inspect your stitching for any gaps or uneven areas. If needed, go back and reinforce weak spots with additional stitches. With these careful steps, your repaired seam will not only look great, but also hold up to everyday use, extending the life of your leather car seat and keeping it looking its best. Bringing new life and lasting strength to your ride, one precise stitch at a time.